Pilot land a plane, risking lives of over 200 passengers. The DGCA has pulled up the airlines for failing to inform them about the incident. But the question is, will the Civil Aviation Minister take note of this gross flight safety violation?
The DGCA has rapped Jet Airways for the violation. Joining us is Civil Aviation Minister Mr. Ajit Singh. Sir, the DGCA has rapped the airlines. How do you see this gross violation?
See, on passenger safety, no compromise can be made. So DGCA has taken the correct action. Now, I understand subsequently he has barred them from flying. So.
Sir, another incident from Rajkot has come to light, a Mumbai-Rajkot flight. There were two pilots. They asked the permission of the ATC. One pilot said they would land at runway number 9. The other, again a trainee pilot, asked for permission on runway number 23. Now, without the ATC's approval, they landed on runway number 23. Also, there were 100 passengers on board. How do you see this, again involving Jet Airways?
I'll check what DGC has done in this case, but the action he has taken on this previous case you mentioned should send a message to the pilots to be more careful.
And Jaguri now joining us with more on this story. Jaguri, very strong words there from the Civil Aviation Minister.
That's right, Deep. Ajit Singh spoke exclusively to Times Now, saying that the safety is of paramount importance and there could be no compromise. Also, it seems at the moment the Civil Aviation Ministry is quite happy with the proactiveness shown by the DGCA, who has cancelled the licenses of both the pilots, the trainee and the commander, and also given marching orders to the Chief of Air Safety. So at this point, there seems to be no action that the Civil Aviation Ministry is contemplating on Jet Airways. They seem to be quite satisfied with the proactiveness shown by the DGCA. Back to you.
All right, Jaguri, thanks very much for that. Jaguri, they're bringing us the latest on that story. And moving on, let's take a look at what else is happening across the country.